Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. As you can see, we did this pretty Aurora Lights makeup. Really, to start this off, we took the Profusion's brow palette, and I already did my brows on camera, and then we carved those out with the ITcosmetics foundation, Bye Bye foundation, and yeah. But to really start this makeup off, we went in with JeffreeStars Jawbreaker palette, and we went in with Bubblegum. And we're going to be using this as a good transition color, kind of on top of our crease. But it's mostly used for a transition color. Oh yes, look at that. Ooh. Then we went in with the mini breaker, and then we are going in with this, I can't remember what the names are. But we went in with the purple one in the center of Mini Breaker, and we are going to be putting that in our crease. We're just going to really darken that up. Next, we went in with the Jawbreaker palette again, and we are going in with this pretty blue, and we are going to be laying that all over that purple that we just did to make it kind of a darker purple, but it have a transition to a blue. Then we went in with this kind of teal looking color, and we're going to be laying that on top of our base of our eyelid. There's so much blending that has to do with this makeup, it's ridiculous. And then we went in with the green one in that palette, and we're going to be kind of just laying a little bit of that. Actually, no, I should not say a little, because I actually used a lot. Going to be laying that all over that teal color that we just did, all over the base. I slowed this down because I wanted you guys to really see how I'm packing it in there. And then I took my E.L.F. moisturizer. I can't live without this stuff. Oh my god, it's amazing. And then we went in with the E.L.F. primer. And yeah, what else can you say about primer? And then I went back in with the Bye Bye foundation by ITcosmetics. And as I said before, this is my favorite foundation ever. Then I went in with the pretty Vulgar setting powder, and I'm just going to be setting that all over my face. I have not actually been using powder lately, and it's been phenomenal. Then we took the same colors that we used on top of our eye and darkening up our waterline. I'm not even going to acknowledge what I'm doing there because I do it on every video. Then we took the Maybelline Define a Line eyeliner, and we're going to be putting that in our waterline. Not on, in. And look at how it just made the colors pop. Oh my god, it is amazing. I love this makeup so much. Then we took the JPaige the JPaige lipstick, Swanky, and this is a very, very, very gorgeous reddish purple, almost pinkish, just, I can't even describe this lipstick. It's beautiful. That is all I can say about it. It is beautiful. Then we went in with the Profusion's Pro Concealer and Contour Palette, and we're taking the two lightest shades and we're meshing them together to give us that really nice contouring look. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. And that is it, you guys. This is the final look for this makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup. I sure did. I thought it came out beautiful. If you guys like this video, go ahead and leave me a like down below, subscribe, whatever you guys want to do, hit the little notification bell. That's a lot to say it on one breath. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video.